Good morning, this is Mike with the National Weather Service in Jackson, Mississippi with your multimedia weather briefing for this May 15th, 2017. As highlights, I'll talk about the above normal temperatures and dry weather that we are expecting for much of the area through the end of the week. There will be a chance of mainly afternoon and early evening showers and thunderstorms in the west and north starting Wednesday and lasting through the end of the week. The next major cold front that we're expecting across our region and will bring widespread rain chances is Sunday into Monday. And I'll give a brief update on the Mississippi River. Today our forecast is high and dry. Not shown on this graphic is an upper level ridge that's across the southeast United States. But you can also see that there's a surface high pressure center just across the northern Gulf of Mexico. Together these ridges will contribute to above normal temperatures and dry weather. Our normals for this time of year run in the low to mid 80s. From this graphic you can see that we're expecting mostly upper 80s for today and plenty of sunshine. As we get into night, our normal lows for this time of year run in the upper 50s to lower 60s, and as moisture continues to increase today across the area, our overnight lows will creep into the low to mid 60s. This will be just a little bit above normal tonight, but as we get further into the week, the morning lows will be in the upper 60s to lower 70s in some spots. Tuesday's forecast won't be much different than today's. We'll expect dry weather with above normal temperatures. Both the surface ridge and the upper level ridge will begin to shift east of our area though, allowing for a little more moisture increase in the west. The highs Tuesday will be a degree or two warmer at most locations. As you can see, we've got a few 90s on the forecasted weather map. In addition, the moisture increase will lead to a few more cumulus clouds during the day. As we get into Wednesday, the high pressure will be firmly parked just over the western Atlantic, ridging back across the southeast Gulf Coast states. We'll have a low pressure system in the plains. Some of the rain from this low pressure system in the plains may spread into our westernmost zones by late afternoon and evening, but much of our area will experience above normal temperatures and dry weather again. There will be very little change in the weather pattern Thursday through Saturday, as a surface ridge will remain across the Gulf Coast states, and low pressure system will generally remain just to our north and just to our west. There will still be the afternoon and evening chances for showers and thunderstorms across our western and maybe a few of our northern zones. But again, much of East Mississippi and Central Mississippi is expected to remain dry and warmer than normal through the period. A change in a weather pattern will occur during the weekend. There are timing differences with the models, but model consensus states that there will be a cold front that will be moving through the region and maybe through our area by Monday morning. This is expected to bring the next best chance for widespread rain across our region and maybe a few strong to severe thunderstorms. We are not currently highlighting anything in our HWO, but that could change as we approach the latter half of the week. To summarize what I've been talking about, you can see generally very low rain chances today into Thursday with above normal temperatures both at night and during the day. Rain chances will increase as we get into the weekend. This graphic depicts the 7-day projected rainfall outlook. You can see that there's only between maybe a quarter and a half an inch expected rainfall amounts over the next 7 days, basically across the southeast half of our county warning area. To the northwest, and especially in the west, some of these rainfall amounts could approach or exceed an inch. and most of the rain is expected to fall in that Sunday period as the cold front gets closer to our area. Over the past 5 days, the rainfall of 1 to 2 inches fell across our Highway 82 corridor. This rainfall mostly occurred last Friday. This rainfall graphic was shown because there is a small area across northeast Mississippi that the U.S. Drought Monitor has classified as abnormally dry. This falls across our northeast Mississippi counties, and it was beneficial rainfall of 1 to 2 inches that fell last Friday. Overall, we're expecting drier conditions and no major river flooding in our CWA, with the exception of the Mississippi River. As you can see, there's a few locations all up and down the Mississippi River, but as we focus in on our county warning area, we are expecting minor flooding at Vicksburg on the Mississippi River, with moderate flooding over the next couple of weeks at Arkansas City, Greenville, and Natchez Trace. That concludes our multimedia weather briefing for this week, and as always, thanks for listening.